Welcome back. In this video, we're going to cover the Getting Started exercise. Our objectives for this exercise are first, to set up and start a Liferay instance using either a DXP Cloud instance or a local Liferay instance. Once Liferay is up and running, you'll log into Liferay as an administrator and add the Livingston Company logo to the platform. The first step of this exercise is to create a Liferay Bundles folder and unzip your Liferay bundle there. Then you'll navigate to your unzipped bundle and start Liferay. Once Liferay has started, you'll deploy your activation key. Then you'll open a web browser, navigate to Liferay, where you'll see the Liferay setup wizard. You'll complete the Liferay setup wizard to create an administrator account for the Livingston Hotels and Resorts organization. Lastly, you'll sign in as the administrator you set up and add the Livingston logo to the platform. Once you've completed these exercises, you can try some bonus exercises. You can explore the general section and change the main domain to use livingston.com. Then, go back to instance settings and choose which languages to use on the platform in the localization section. Lastly, you can explore the users section of instance settings and add some default user associations. The Livingston Hotels and Resorts organization needs to create an employee intranet to facilitate communication between personnel from different departments. The Livingston organization also needs to create a public website that attracts customers with targeted content and implements an intuitive user journey. Before we get started, make sure that you have Java 8 or 11 installed. Also make sure that you've downloaded a Liferay bundle and extracted it to a folder. To start Liferay, navigate to your extracted folder in a command prompt or terminal. Here I'm using Windows PowerShell. And I've extracted my Liferay bundle to this folder. Navigate to that folder. And if you list its contents, you'll see a hidden file called .liferay home. This file always appears by default in the Liferay home folder. And to start Liferay, navigate to the Tomcat bin directory and run /catalina.sh run or /catalina.bat run on Windows. Liferay will take several seconds to start, and once it finishes starting, you should see a message in your log that says server started in X milliseconds. Here we see the server startup message, which indicates that Liferay finished starting. By default, Liferay launches your system browser and hits localhost 8080 to bring up Liferay's basic configuration page. You should deploy your Liferay DXP license file if you have one. To deploy this file, just copy it to Liferay's deploy folder, which is a subfolder of the Liferay home folder. Once you've done that, you can submit this form. Here, we'll enter the information for the Livingston Hotels and Resorts organization. Livingston Hotels and Resorts for the portal name, and the default admin user's name is Josiah Copeland. You can leave the rest of the defaults. We'll use the embedded HSQL database for Liferay and click Finish Configuration. Click Agree to the Terms of Use placeholder. Choose a new password. Choose a password reminder question and provide an answer. And now you're logged into Liferay with the default admin user that you configured on the basic configuration page. You can access the menu. You can access Liferay's control panel or the site administration area, and you're ready to build your portal.